Welcome to the city of Sheboygan's West Camelot neighborhood. Home to Optimist Park's splash pad and the Sheboygan Dog Park, this residential area is a great place to call home. Located on the south side of Sheboygan with easy access to Highway 28 and the Deertrace Kohler Shopping Center, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo resides on the second floor of the Creekside Condo building along the tree-lined landscape of Camelot Boulevard. This spacious yet efficient condo features an open-concept dining living space, a U-shaped kitchen, a bathroom, and 2 large bedrooms. Inside you'll find this condo has had many updates: new paint, new patio door, updated windows, and an updated light fixtures. Downstairs is a huge heated and secure storage unit laundry area that could double as a small workshop or craft area. Creekside condo dues are only $140 a month on this unit. That's a steal for snow removal, landscaping, and funding to keep this place in tip-top shape. If you'd like more information about this particular condo, give Marcus Savaglio with eXp Realty Sheboygan a call at 920-395-1927 or send a text.